Today, I'm just going to quickly show you how Ressa Tessa is getting to the bag, and I mean the big bag, from posting her 50 plus part series on TikTok. Let's break down exactly how much she has made to date. Let's get into it. Going to calculate an estimate of what Ressa Tessa has made in the Creative Program Beta Monetization Partnership Program to date. But if you want to see exactly how she's going to make well over $1 million in 2024, check out the entire video, which is linked above. We shared how she has received over 300 million views to date. All of those are not qualified views. We're going to cut that number in half, which is going to bring us down to 150 million qualified views, which we're going to divide by 1,000, which is the RPM that you're paid based on 1,000 views in TikTok. Then you take that number, then we're going to take the revenue per 1,000 payout amount, which can vary, and we're going to lowball it at $1.50 per 1,000, which is really low for the type of content that she's created, and we come up with $225,000. Let's do another calculation. We take that same 300 million views, total views, we divide that in half based on the qualifying views. We get 150 million. We divide that by 1,000 and get 150,000 qualified views that she will be paid out on. Times that by 2, that's $300,000, y'all. Again, I do believe that her RPM will probably be higher. Mine's is over $2 and my engagement is nowhere near hers. But let's break it down again. At the $2 RPM level, you take half of her total views of 300 million, which that number is growing exponentially day by day. We got to 150,000 by dividing the qualified number by 1,000, which is how you get paid for every 1,000 qualified views, times that 150,000 by 2, and you get 300,000. We did a few more calculations. If you don't agree with the RPM number, let's just say it's half that. She just started her page a week ago, 7 days. So if she doesn't have $300,000 today, by next week or the week after, she will have 300,000. But again, I think she's at 300,000 already. And that's not including any partnerships or collaborations or any promotions. Again, check out the full video where I break down exactly her various streams of income, which are many, based off of this 51-part series. The bottom line is she understood the platform that she chose to use. She followed their rules. She saw a void and took advantage of it. And so all we say is congratulations, and hit Miss Gail Lewis off with a little something, something, because if it wasn't for her, I don't think any of this would have happened for Ressa Tessa. But congratulations, sis. We love to see us out here winning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, because we are coming back sharing exactly how we were able to grow from 0 followers in April of 2023 to over 167,000 followers and earn thousands of dollars less than a year later. Stop giving away all your time and make social media work for you.